All right. It's your favorite Geek Tweak here, and I am going to do a series of videos, just some basic videos that's going to help you get more confident using your computer. I get questions all the time. I get asked, Mike, how do I turn my PC off? Mike, how do I put my computer to sleep? Should I put my computer to sleep? Hey Mike, there's a restart button. Should I restart? Should I shut down? I'm going to break these down for you. I know this is super basic. If you already know this video is not for you, okay? But it might be good for your friend, or it might be good for, maybe your parents, or maybe grandparents, or maybe your kids. So, without ado, real quick, I'm going to walk you through getting to the power settings and how you can quickly either put your computer to sleep, you can shut it down, or you can restart it just in case you're having issues with any kind of, maybe there's a program acting funky, it's not opening properly, just weird stuff. I'm going to show you what to do, okay? Something that might fix it. If not, you can always call me, you can always text me. I'm always here to help. Alright, so here's how we're going to start. Oh, and I hope you like John Lennon cat here, because yeah, he's looking pretty fly. Alright, and if you need this, if you like this wallpaper, I'll stick it in the comments below. Alright, so we're going to start here. Go to your start menu. You're going to click that. You're going to move your mouse up right over this icon. It says power. You're going to left click the power button, and here are your options. Sleep, the PC stays on but uses low power. Apps stay open, so when the PC wakes up, you're instantly back to where you left off. So let me just explain this real quick. You put your computer to sleep, it blacks out. If you got a laptop, same thing. You close the laptop up, you're good. When you're ready to come back, you open it up. Most likely your laptop is just going to turn on instantly. You might tap your keyboard, it'll wake up, you'll be right at your lock screen, ready to log in and get ready to go. However, if you have a desktop, you may have to tap your keyboard also, or click your mouse. I've also seen it where you have to tap the power button, but it instantly wakes up. There's no start time, there's no booting up of the system, there's no waiting. It's right there instantly. So if you know you're going to be back to the computer, put it to sleep. I put mine to sleep over several, over the course of several nights at a time. Never bothers my laptop, doesn't bother my PC at all. So that's a really good option, especially if you want to hop on, check your email real quick, and then you're going to just close it up and leave. Next is shutdown. Closes all apps and turns off the PC. It will literally power your machine down. So you're leaving for the weekend, you're going away for a couple days, you're going away for a week, shut your computer down. No need for it to be running unless you're running some type of server, but this is not that kind of video. So you're just using it for basic use. You don't need it for the next couple days. Shut your computer down, powers it off. It's safe, put it in its case, and there you go. For a laptop, your desktop, it just shuts it down and you're done. As for your restart, so I recommend at least once to twice a week that you restart your computer. I reboot my computer probably once a day. Sometimes you'll get programs that are acting a little wonky. You got things acting crazy. You got your video game you're trying to click on, it won't open. You know what? Reboot your computer. That is one of the #1 tech tips out there that fixes so many minor issues. Restart your computer. Sometimes you can have updates still waiting that you may have forgotten about, that you ignored. Wait a minute. That you ignored. So you restart your computer, it'll allow updates to install, it'll clean up all kinds of things in the background. Your programs may start working perfectly fine, save you money on a IT trip, or calling someone to come out to your computer, coming out to your house and checking your computer. Hear me out. Reboots work wonders. If not, please, by all means, give me a call. If you're not comfortable, by all means, give me a call. I'm more than welcome, more than willing to help. You can also leave a comment and just say, hey, Mike, I'm not sure that I want to do this on my own. Okay, let's walk through this together. So I'm going to run it through it one more time. Back to the desktop. We got our jazzy John Lennon kitty cat here. I'm not a cat fan, but them glasses. So we're going to hit our start menu, bottom left hand corner. We're going to touch the power button here, left click it with your mouse. Sleep, shut down, restart. That's it. Super simple, super basic. I want you to be as confident as possible using your computer and knowing that you're not doing anything wrong and knowing that you're not messing it up either. So if you like this video, once again, if you got your Ph.D. in IT tech and this and that, this video, hear me out, this video is not for you. This is for those who are very shy with their computers. They're not confident in doing what they should be able, they should know how to do. So they should be able to know how to do these things, and I want to make sure that people are more and more confident using their machines, especially my customers. And you know, if you're not a customer, please become one. Please become one. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed John Lennon Cat here. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that helped you. And please leave a comment. Leave a comment below. Leave a like. Make sure to subscribe. Grab that bell. Make sure you know when we're releasing new videos. And hear me, in the comments, I'll be reading them. I'll be responding. I want to know what kind of videos you'd like to see. What would you like to see? And we're looking at the basics. I want to start with basics. I've been working in computers for 20 plus years, and I find the more that you know, the less that you do the basic things that can stop a lot of issues from happening. So please leave a comment, like and subscribe. Appreciate you always. Mike, I'm the owner of geektweek, and I'm your favorite geek. We'll catch you on the next video.